Meaning of fine print.
Fine print.
Fine print.
Fine print.
Fine print. Fine print refers to the small, often overlooked text in a contract or agreement that contains important details and conditions. These details are usually presented in small font size and can include legal jargon, limitations, and penalties. It is crucial for individuals to read and understand the fine print before signing any document, as it can impact their rights and obligations. Failing to do so may lead to unpleasant surprises or even legal disputes. Therefore, one should always pay close attention to the fine print to avoid any negative consequences.